For starters, this video will make you understand a lot about Bitcoin, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be very useful. Alright, let's get started. Want to trade Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, but don't know where to begin? One thing you'll need is a cryptocurrency wallet. Here are the answers to some commonly asked questions, and how to find the best cryptocurrency wallet for you. What is a cryptocurrency wallet? A cryptocurrency wallet, also known as a Bitcoin wallet or crypto wallet, functions like a traditional wallet, but instead of paper currency, it holds proof of your digital cash. A cryptocurrency wallet stores the public and private keys required to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, and provides digital signatures authorizing each transaction. These digital wallets can be a device, a program on an app or online website, or a service offered by crypto exchanges. You'll need to keep safe and secure your private key that allows you to unlock your crypto wallet in order to trade or spend your cryptocurrency. Ready to invest? Here's our picks for best Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchanges. Do I need a cryptocurrency wallet to trade Bitcoin? Yes. While many exchanges provide or suggest crypto wallets for your use, in order to buy or trade Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies you need to have a wallet address so that the digital currency can be transferred to your control. Most of these digital wallets are password protected, and many offer other security features such as encryption, two-factor authentication and other protections. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you can be notified every time I upload a video. In the next video I will be showing you the truth about Bitcoin and what you must avoid in your investments.